Hello guys, Shurify here. So for this final video, I said I was gonna probably not make any more, but I'm just making this for saving games. So I'm just gonna quickly go over how I do it. Here I have a show hide scores button, and I show the scores here. So if I play it now, good show. So I only had level 1 and 2, so those are the scores. The amount of coins are collected, and it's actually saved. So could go in here, and here's how I'm grabbing them. Cleared the level 1 and level 2, and then I'm writing them out to string. Let's look at a save system. So this is the class I made. So I'm using a dictionary, and then I have a save path, and your save path on Linux is local share Godot CSharp data, and then the name of your project and whatever we named it. So CSharp game. Just had that open to find it quick. Then whenever the scene started, this is auto loaded. Whenever it started, we just load, and in here we have used the file access. We check if that file exists. If it does, we get a new file and we open it up, that file path, and we set the access to read. Then we set that player data to cast it as a dictionary and then get var. Down here now, if there's no file path, we just create a new dictionary. So it's just empty. And I'm just printing out the data here. Just then the level complete, that's the flag. So each time we hit that flag, we save the data. So let's go back in here. So in the level complete, we get the parent, and then we say complete level. So we have to cast it because we know that the parent is a level. Back over here, so this is the flag, and its immediate parent is the level, and we name the level 1. So whenever we call that function on the level here, level complete, it gets the UI, it grabs the score from the UI, and then it adds it to the, just printing this here, don't need that. So the save system now, that's a save file, we add that score, we use its own name, the node's name, and then its score. And then we call save system.save. Remember, over in the save system, we have this add level score here, and set the name of the level and the score. We say player data, the level, and then goes the score. Normally you would have a check to make sure this value is smaller before setting it, like, you know, for high score, but I'm just doing it simple for now. So you guys get the idea. You could always do that on your own time. Alright, and that should be it. It's a pretty short video. That should be it for this series. Actually, my last video on this series would have been the last video, but decided to just quickly create a save system and just show you guys how I did it. You could do it other ways. You could use config files and stuff like that, but that's it for this series. I'm gonna be working on my plugin again, the quest manager. Taking a while, but I've been mostly doing this, to be honest. Alright guys, take care and like and subscribe.